check the water level for 3 days.
What's up?
It's 3 days rain non-stop. Oh, look at that. See, my love? See the river? Oh no. Yeah, because 3 days of non-stop rain.
Yeah.
My gosh. And now look at that, raining. Lots of flooding already here in Queensland. So
We
sad.
go side road on the way back, have a closer look.
Yeah, yes. Guys, hindi maganda yung weather. Ayan o. Since pa yan New Year's Eve na storm. And now, raining. Punta tayo sa Asian grocery and gets my husband favorite coffee, Old Town coffee. Oh. Grabe talaga the weather.
My guy Aga, good morning.
Yes, maayong
Maayo.
aga.
Aga.
Yes.
Maayo Aga.
Yes. Ah, you're learning. Yes. You are Tito. Uncle.
Yes. I'm very lucky to have so many nice, lovely nieces and nephews.
Yes.
Must be funny from having an Australian uncle.
Yes.
He's a nut.
Yeah. And the my love, sarado. The Asian grocery is closed.
Oh no.
Oh no.
Oh no.
Well, I think the Asian grocery near Aldi is open. Yeah.
Like,
Oh my God, look at the rain. My love, slowly drive, huh? Slowly drive. I love you so much. I always love you. Look at the weather. Hopefully tomorrow we get a good weather. A sunny day.
It's supposed to be tomorrow.
Yeah. Road trip sa maulan. Rainy morning. Where is the the river.
Small.
Yeah.
I see all the motorhomes still there.
Yeah.
I'd be very well. I wouldn't be staying overnight now.
Yes.
There's a good chance tomorrow,
Yep.
if it's still raining, all the water from up further will come down and flood that car park.
It's
So there's Deborah in the fence for the last flight.
yeah.
The water's just there. So yeah, it's got to come up another probably 4 feet yet. She's
Ganda dito. Oh, I like the greenery. The green.
I wonder if Dwayne Wally. We will not make the red love you so much.
I love you more.
I just want to squeeze you.
I love you, my love.
Yummy, 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 yummy.
Yes. So, galing kami ng Asian Grocery. Nakabili ako nito. Yan, itatanim ko to. Yan.
I wonder how long it takes them to get their groceries over. Because they would have to have somebody
Yeah.
in the Philippines to get their groceries off. So,
Hanap tayo ng malapit-lapit na parking because it's raining. Oh no. Oh, there you go,
There's
my
one
love.
there.
Yeah.